I have seen some of the developers were making this kind of a profile in their GitHub. So it is really amazing way to showcase your works and skill set on GitHub. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. What's up you guys, how you're all doing? This is Saurav here and you're watching Code Vlog. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this kind of a profile on GitHub. So in order to make this kind of a profile, so what you need to do is go to this my profile in GitHub, and like I'm going to make this my code block channel GitHub profile like that. So just go to my GitHub profile and find for the repository what I have made, like my username. So I have my username as Kiku Saurav, so you can find that repository. Here it is. So open it and copy this link, or you can download also. I used to make this copy kind of thing because it is really faster way to make all that stuff work. So what I do is then just go to your folders where you want to store this repository and open their git bash or cmd, any kind of a terminals you want. Then here I'm going to be execute this command git clone and paste that link, and now it is going to be clone that repository. Just for a while, wait for a while, and it will be done. Yeah, it is done. Now what I am going to do is now we have my profile. Now what I'm going to do is just go to my make my profile of that repository. To make that repository, I'm going to copy this my username and make a repository of the same name. So in order to create that repository, you just need to click on this plus button and new repository and paste that. So you can see that you have found a secret code blog. Code blog is a special repository that you can use to add the readme.md to your GitHub profile to make sure it public and initialize with a readme to get started. So here it is showing me that make sure you initialize with it a readme file, so you can showcase your all that markup language profile view. So here I'm going to add a readme file and create a repository. Then what I'm going to do is clone this profile also, this repository also, code blog 1, whichever you wanted to make your own, and then I clone that to here. I'm going to again fire that git clone and paste the code blog 1. Now you can use any kind of a code editor. So here I'm going to use a Visual Studio Code to edit this profile. Now I'm going to open that my personal repository folder. So this is my personal folder which I have cloned previously. Then I'm going to open another window for my new one for my channel GitHub profile. So here I'm going to open my code vlog folder, and now I'm going to copy all these files into this one code block. So after changing this, you can just need to remove this one readme, whatever the readme you have previously. So I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to change this one to the not copy one .md file. So now you can just change the parameters. So here you can see it's making this one, so I'm going to change here to Ola. I have my Saurav Karmakar name, and I'm going to add my channel name, code blog, and this way you can change all the parameters. Like I have my Twitter account profile, so you just go to your Twitter account and copy your Twitter link and paste it here, and this way you can change all that. And I'm not going to change all the things, I'm just going to change my channel thing. So ask me about software or coding related, coding or any text related stuff. And pronounce is his or his. Now, this is a fun fact, so you can change that also. Then here you can see it's changed to the profile one, so you can make your URL here. So I'm going to add all those, commit or push all this thing. So initial commit, and you need to add all these folders and files into it. Then it is done. Now I'm going to add all these, and I'm going to make changes in my repository. So wait for a while, so it will be initializing and pushing all those code to your repository. Now you come to your repository and refresh it. Yeah, you can see here it is done. Now you can go, now if you go to your channel, your profile, you can see we have successfully changed those profile into thing. So this is it, this is all for this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. It's necessary for me to survive in this YouTube.